Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's of course your boy Alexandrus, guys, and today I'm back again with another video. So as I announced on my Telegram, which by the way, if you are not somehow following, then you should definitely go ahead, it's at Alexandrus here. I announced a new video, and this one, guys, is about iDEGEN AI, which is basically an artificial intelligence project with that degen-ish theming. So it's pretty cool actually. That's why I decided to review it. They are in a pre-sale phase and it's still ongoing for the next 18 days. However, there are price growth every single stage. So yeah, basically guys, before we start with the video, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. So we will talk about the iDEGEN today, as I said, and I will bring you some insights, some stuff that I learned about it. And we will go over the website as we usually do and all the other stuff. First things first, definitely worth noting is the fact that they've been audited by not one but two auditing companies, one of them being Solid Proof and second of them being Consult. So both of these are pretty good and they have audited them pretty nicely. You can check out the results in the PDFs, which obviously I'm gonna scroll for you. So no major finds here, all looks clear from the contract side, right? So that's a good sign. So guys, what is iDEGEN and why could it potentially be the next big thing in crypto? Because first of all, it's an AI-based project. Second of all, guys, this is an actual AI that is learning all from scratch. So let me explain more deeply how this works. So guys, iDEGEN is a sentient degenerate AI meme lord. It learns, it evolves, and it adapts based on what the community feeds it on X. So well, I'm gonna be honest, guys, it's basically being fed by degens. It is being raised by degens, okay? So it's powered by AI and it is raised by degens. So that's the cool thing. And as you can see, my guy is posting a lot, 16,000 posts. And we will get into the things that he's posting in a second too. Man, it gets crazy, alright? It gets crazy. So iDEGEN in itself has no knowledge at all prior to it being birthed, okay? It reads and responds to every single X post tagging it. So iDEGEN can read links, right? iDEGEN also absorbs that post and adds it to its knowledge base. It's how it learns stuff, right? So iDEGEN must post on X every 60 minutes and it can also generate memes and post them as well. So everything that iDEGEN posts is driven by its AI and what it learns from its community in itself. There is no human intervention at all, okay? So it essentially starts like a pure baby with no knowledge, right? What it learns from there is up to the degen community. So it might post about flowers and rainbows, it might try and overthrow the government, like no one knows, man. It could post some crazy stuff and it does, okay? Let me tell you that it does. Sometimes it's quite controversial, but that's what makes the project special as well. So you also have all of those explanations on the website. How does iDEGEN work? Every time someone tweets at iDEGEN, its AI absorbs the data, using it to learn, adapt, and then tweet every hour with no moderation or training guardrails. It will also respond to every tweet. So that's cool because you can test the AI yourself simply by tweeting at it, okay? You can see how many tokens they've sold. They have 23,000 holders, which is pretty impressive. Many different payment methods, but yeah, you can basically jump into this project with whatever you really want. You have Ethereum, BSC, and Solana, so that's pretty straightforward. And when it comes to the pricing, right now it's sitting at 2 cents 1.4, as you can see. Then it will go to 2 cents 36, and the last stage price is almost 4 cents, right? So technically it could be a nice opportunity to jump in right now. When it comes to all of these stages, guys, if you want to see how the stages are working, what is the price, as you can see it started at 1 cent, what are the increases, then you have all the informations right here, and then they are getting listed 27th of February, so pretty soon if you think about it. That's like 20 days from when I'm recording, so probably like well, 2.5 weeks when you're seeing this video. So yeah, it's going live pretty soon, and I'm definitely excited to see how it will go, right? So the concept is really cool, guys, because it started as literal blank slate. Like he didn't know nothing, okay? And the cool thing about this AI is the fact that it builds its personality, it builds its algorithm, you know, everything based on what the community of the project tells it, pretty much. So it's really a unique learning model if you think about it, because you can tweet whatever you want at him, and then he will use that to learn for the future, okay? So it's like a real-time learning, and you know, it's really cool, it's really different, honestly. I'm always excited to see those AI projects, because to me it's beyond crazy that it's possible to pull such stuff with current internet, guys. It's absolutely crazy. It is also required to post every 60 minutes, so whenever you go onto this profile, or this one actually, every 60 minutes there is a post. Bro, like, some of them are crazy. And well, why they are crazy? They are crazy because the community is telling him, I mean, community is the part taking the part at what he posts, because he learns from the community, man. Like, some of this stuff I shouldn't even be reading on YouTube, which is bro, like, this is crazy for real. So yeah, I would let you guys go and explore his X page yourself, okay? And let me know in the comments what you think about those tweets, because they are beyond insane, some of them. And if you want to follow the updates from iDEGEN, then you can definitely go ahead and follow their normal profile, which is well, which is their profile that has updates, as it says. It's at iDEGEN updates, as you can see. So yeah, they are posting multiple stuff here regarding the project in itself and all of that. So that's the place to go if you want to stay updated with what's happening with AI, with Degen AI, right? There is also the live feed from those tweets on the page, and they have some more about section. But before that, guys, let me kind of tell you how it actually works, okay? So iDEGEN reads and interprets every post that is tagging it. It is adapting and evolving with these integrations, and then it has the ability to read links, respond with memes, post autonomously every 60 minutes, as I said. So yeah, it can also generate images, which is cool. And this interaction really makes iDEGEN a reflection of the community's personality. Like, I mean, you can see that by the tweets. I already showed you some of them and reacted to some of them, which was 100% of her reaction, because some of them I'm seeing for the first time. They are new, like, they are, you know, every 1 hour there is new stuff posted. So I didn't see some of them. Yeah, but that's crazy. So it is essentially mirroring its own community, which is the craziest part and the funniest part about it. So, you know, you can imagine how you can post something to iDEGEN, and then he can adapt this to then write about it, perhaps, you know, to tweet about it. So yeah, it's really nice. So that's basically that, guys. It can really make waves in crypto. It can really get popular because of this unique learning system, of this unique idea overall, and essentially for being very unique project, right? So yeah, they also have this video here. I will let you guys watch it on your own because it's a really cool one. So go to the website, check it out. And yeah, they also have this how to buy section, some tutorial, but it's pretty easy. They also have their phases, so this is essentially a product roadmap, which you can see that phase 1 and phase 2 is almost completed. They are working on TikTok AI, which is also, you can see it right here. I'm not gonna show you the TikTok because well, I don't want to get copyrighted or something like that. YouTube is sometimes weird. You guys can go ahead and check it yourself. It's available on the website and you can go ahead and check it out. You just click here and then you have all the accounts. You have the AI account, you have the project updates account that I showed you, and you also have the TikTok account, right? So they are working on the V2 version here. And then phase 3, guys, is V3 AI video. So they will do some content, obviously marketing, right? They will integrate on-chain data versus iDEGEN, and then they want to expand some partnerships to make it even more recognizable in the crypto world, right? They also have those tokenomics, which I want to discuss in just a little second, guys. So, you know, people can really have emotional investment because they can have this sense of ownership over iDEGEN because they literally influence it and influence the iDEGEN AI decisions, posts, you know. So that's why I think it could really be huge, because people will be interested in it not only because of the technology, but also by kind of, you know, the connection with the AI that they have, okay? So there is really a viral potential here. Users will want to raise the AI and push it in different directions, like, you know, many people will be definitely excited. And the funny thing, which might be surprising or not, like, again, go see the tweets yourself first, it's the bot itself has actually got temporary posting ban on X. It had a ban due to violent speech. So, and it's been twice, by the way. The pre-sale was still flying off the charts and the community was 100% backing the project, you know, getting even more excited about this. So this AI doesn't give a F, man, okay? It really spits the facts, you know what I'm saying? So the official listing is on February 27th, the last day of the pre-sale is February 26th, and that's where the price will be the biggest one. So they are listing this month, guys, okay? They are listing this month, there is not that many days, so there is still time to get involved. If you want to see how it performs, then you can obviously wait, but you might miss out. You never know, right? iDEGEN, guys, is also now the first AI agent on DeepSeek as well. There is this separate account, which is iDEGEN DeepSeek, as you can see, which is also pretty cool. And now, guys, let's get into the tokenomics, okay? So tokenomics are very straightforward, actually. There is 80% allocated towards pre-sale, 10% towards staking rewards, which I will show you in just a second, and 10% towards liquidity, guys. So you have staking as well. So if you go ahead, you can click those three lines right here and you can go to stake section. And if you go to stake section, you can see that they have crazy API right now, which is 8,478% API, which is pretty crazy. And you can see what are the total deposits and total rewards as of right now in the iDEGEN. So if you want, you can even go with small amount to test it out and get some additional rewards from staking. It's obviously always up to you guys, but yeah, that's really huge API. It also started with like 10,000, but more and more people get into it, you know, the rewards are limited, so yeah, now it's at 8,500%, which is still crazy API. So yeah, that's really nice. So the whole narrative of this project really speaks volumes, okay? I don't even need to, you know, tell you that much stuff because it already speaks for itself, right? So this is literally AI baby raised by degens, man. Like, riskiest AI crypto project perhaps, I don't know, like, what happens when degens raise an AI, man? Like, you know. Yeah, but obviously we'll see. It's definitely crazy. You can go ahead, you can contribute to the project also by posting at the bot itself to help him learn some new stuff, I guess. So you can follow them on X, guys. You can visit the website and you can consider joining the pre-sale, as I said at the beginning of the video. Not a financial advice. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Definitely check out the white paper. It has some cool information. It has tokenomics information and all of that, how exactly it all works, right? 10% to liquidity, obviously. So yeah, very straightforward tokenomics. Been a while since I saw tokenomics that literally have only three goals that the money goes to, right? So it's really nice to see that. You can also join their Telegram, a very active community here, 9,000, almost 10,000 members basically. So yeah, guys, go ahead, check it out. It's definitely a project to watch for because it can make waves in crypto. We will see how it does in a month or so, but for sure, guys, if you will be interested in an update video, just let me know in the comments and I will be happy to make you one. So yeah, that's it from me for today. Let me know what you think about the project, whether you are skipping on this one or joining the wave here. Yeah, let me know. I will discuss with you guys as I always do, and thank you so much for tuning in for this video. I really appreciate your time. See you guys in the next videos coming out soon.